she's Adonai.
Hi, how you doing,
Nice to meet
Susan?
you.
Nice to meet you as well. Nice to meet you.
I love her performance. Really beautiful.
Really?
Really nice.
She's a very good singer.
Oh, wow.
I brought her from Zuwai.
No.
And I promised her. Okay, she came to Addis Ababa, I think 7 months ago. She went extremely viral, and a lot of people helped her to sing in the studio, but they didn't help her long enough. So she went back to where she came from, and she was selling. I think what was it? Kolo. We call it kolo. I forgot the name.
I know
You know kolo, yeah? So she started.
It's nice, I like it.
Yeah, and then I found her there, and I heard her singing, and then I brought her to Addis. What I promised her is I'm gonna make her the top 1 artist in Ethiopia.
Yeah, now
That's
she
my
have
promise.
A big composer.
Yeah, Kamuzu, and then
Yes.
we're opening ways.
Yes.
Okay.
Great
I see
producer.
Yeah.
You're making content.
Legend.
here.
Yes. That's what we're doing.
Adonai.
Yes, my brother. Thank you so much.
እሺ ያው በቃ ይሄ
እሱ የነጻነት ነው ባይዘው ካንተ ከሷ ተቀብዬ ሴቭ አድርጌ
አዶናይ የሆነ ሴቭ አደረኩት
ነጻነት ነው እሱ የነጻነት ነው።